Well, big fucking Saj, everybody. The Suika fight that I recorded. Hang on. The Suika fight that I recorded for last time. Apparently it didn't get recorded at all, so, yikes. Because, like, in the video, you could see, like, me talking to this Kappa here. You saw me talking to that Kappa, like, last time, instantly, after, like, after, like, it suddenly cutting for some reason, so, basically, the reason why that was is because I was fighting Suika, but then the footage got cut for some reason. You know, like this, and then I fought like two of these little shits, and then after the battle ended, it kind of just did something similar to this, and I was like, what the actual fuck happened? And anyways, brushing that aside, welcome back to Touhou, Niner, Grinder, and Uncut, and it's been a hot while since I've played this, which is, I basically say that in every episode, I'm gonna be honest. It's not really a surprise anymore, but, like, basically, it might have not been all that long for you guys, like episode 2 like just came out a few days ago, and then episode 3 is gonna come out fairly soon. But I have been like really slacking in terms of like all these videos that I've been recording. So I decided to just like not do like 1 hour videos anymore, because they take forever to edit and upload, and I mean like, and then like convert into a video so that I can then upload to YouTube. It's just not fun to make at all, and I want to have fun making these videos, not like fucking die inside because I'm forced to make this video when I could be doing so many other important things right now. No, I actually want to have fun making these. So I'm gonna like cut the videos down to like 30 and 20 minutes long. Unfortunately, because of school, this also means that less videos are gonna be uploaded to general on both channels, on the Toy Bonnie channel and on the Area and Kills. But that's to be expected. We had like school's just coming back, so yeah. Basically, I came back. I reset my save file to before I fought Suika, so that you can actually see the dialogue that she had during her fight. So without further ado, let's go.
Engage the Suika mother pepper.
Yeah, do it. I mean, wait, hang on. Let me just up the volume a little bit, because I got a new speaker because the old one got broken, so let's turn the background music volume a little bit. And do that, yeah. God damn it, my little drunk Oni. Man, I love Suika. Like, she's great. Too bad, like, many people kept on minking? My god, I cannot talk! Milking that Japanese goblin meme! What the fuck is minking? God damn, it's not even been like 5 minutes in, and like, I'm already fumbling my words. Alright, you know what? Screw this. Try to poison the sleeper. Oh yeah, last time we also beat up Patchouli, and also got Yomu and Sakya, in case that wasn't already obvious enough. They're literally right there at the bottom. They were following me in the minute. So yeah. try to... I guess we could try to blind them. Marika. Phantasm Slash. And cut. Alright. Bleed and blind. Knife barrage. Alright, go. Fire my lasers! Okay, didn't blind her. That sucks. Punches an enemy! Ow! Okay, that did a lot of damage. Thankfully she is poisoned. Well, she didn't get blinded, so that's kind of a shame. Alright, let's use Dream Sign Evil Stealing Circle. And you use Broom Dash. You Phantasm Slice. Reduce her max HP. And stab her in the head! Yeah, she lost balance. Good, this is good. Take that, you little shit. And we defeated the Japanese goblin. There we go. I missed this. Gosh, that wasn't so hard. Level up. Is this my reward? I haven't forgotten the voice by the way.
Seeing you tonight, baby.
She just had to add in that baby.
I want you to taste my divine shit.
She just had to add in that last baby at the end, didn't she? Alright. So, let's... hang on. How close are... They're like... Marisa needs 3 more XP to level up. And you need 488. So I'm not gonna... Oh! Wait a second. Yomu has 666 HP. What does this imply? I guess she does live in the nether world, I guess? Anyways, I guess I'll talk to this little shit again, but I'm gonna speed through the dialogue, so we don't waste our time here.
Hello. Do you, wish to run around Gensokyo in the quickest way possible since, get introducing with this machine, for it to work? Oh, I see you. I guess you got that. Alright, we, hope you enjoy our invention.
There we go. Alright. Just so that we could, like, get caught up on what happened last time. And, yeah, I think we did. We did, open up the portal that was in the... that was near the Sanzu River, yeah. Look. Ugh. The hardest part about these fuckboys games is always the damn how I'm supposed to position my camera. That should be good enough. I have enough space to like go in. No, I kind of want to stay here and grind just a little bit so that Sakia and Yomu and Marisa and just had to stay silent for that legendary line, so that they can level up. No, not. I don't want to be here. I want to go to items and buy more tea. That. I don't think I really need anything else. We got one more errands potion. Potion. Alright, so we're gonna grind against these little shits. Probably gonna, if there's 3 of them, that'll probably be it. No, I don't think that's enough to level up Sakia. Although I could be wrong, I haven't played this in a while. I'll be satisfied with 2. You know, 2 seems like a good number. Okay. Eat shit, fairies. I win, bitch! Alright. Let's go. So so last time we have the logbook. We got the logbook, which basically that tells us where all the other bitches are in Gensokyo, and I think what's remaining? 2 out of 13 remaining. So like, I wanna get at least half of them in this video. Boss's location. We already did Suika and Patchouli. Patchouli is at the Scarlet Devil Mansion, obviously. Suika was on the road. Yuka is in the Garden of the Sun. Alright, so we're gonna open up this handy dandy thing again. So the Garden of the Sun should be like fuck. My Gensokyo knowledge is failing me. It should be like right there to the left, I think. It should be. Okay. If we just go along this path and then here, yeah, that's where Yuka is. Okay. Better be hasty. No, fuck off. All right. I'll see you when I get there, so as to not waste any time. Also, who the fuck is that who just called me? Wait, I mean, who just texted me a messenger? Oh god, that's ominous. Do not touch my flowers, or else. Well, I'm walking all over them, so oh, there she is. You touched the flowers too much. The sign says left and right. Oh, I didn't think that it would actually. Wait, hang on. I'm saving in the file 4 just in case that made her fight harder or something. Wait, hang on. Oh, Yuka? I didn't think that you'd actually get pissed. Well, what was I expecting? She's the flower yokai. I didn't.
You touched my precious flowers. Prepare to fucking die, you fucking pieces of shit.
Okay, I think we're dead.
Regret this shit, but engage the Yukon motherfucker.
We're probably gonna fucking die. Because you've done fuck up. Yuka's not pissed and get the slime boost and attack. I'm sorry! Oh god, I did not mean to do that. Alright. Okay, let's hope that one of these can, like, stop her in her tracks. Okay, good. She lost balance. Okay, and she's also binded, which means she's probably she can't. Basically means she can't move for a few turns. All right, good. She's poisoned. If Marisa can blind her, then that Giga Amulet toss will do a lot of damage. Phantasm Slice and single target go. Yeah, dude. Okay, this is we're doing good. We're taking her down. Oh damn! All right. Just like kill her. She's almost dead. Come on. Oh yeah. Again, someone is texting me on Messenger. Oh. Wait, hang on.
Say no to flower abuse.
Holy fuck, we survived. Anyways, I fucking did
Yeah.
my divine shit.
Like, I didn't think that we'd actually survive through that. I'm just gonna... Okay. Hang on, I wonder what happens if you do this fight without touching any flowers. I'm curious, I'm gonna go check it out. Alright? Okay, we're back, and I didn't touch any flowers this time, so let's see.
Well, about time you fucksex showed up. Now, let's dance.
I might
Alright.
regret this shit, but engage the Yukon motherfucker.
So she's not gonna get a big old power boost, right? Yeah, she isn't. Okay, so let's see what happens if if I kill her. All right. All right, we finish her off with the evil stealing circle that Reimu had. All right.
Oh, I lost. Well, guess I'll take the nap here.
Okay.
Holy fuck, we survived. Anyways, I fucking...
Wow, Reimu still says that even though we didn't step on any of the flowers. Well, I guess that's because like Yuka, no matter what, is like really fucking scary and pretty strong actually. Like it has literally been stated in official Touhou like it was like in one of the manuals, like it said something about like, oh, other yokais would use like magical abilities, but Yuka didn't need any magical abilities to kick your ass. You could just do it physically, and I have found out like, oh shit, and like, oh come on, Phantasm heal? Are you serious? What does it do? Does it heal things? Yeah, Yomu's Ghost Half heals 70% health for a party member. Ooh, 70% is not bad. We have a Ghost Sword Fasting of the Young Preta. Yomu decreases defense and strength of every foe. Decreases health by 5%. That sounds dope. Wonder what Saki's gonna get. Please tell me that she gets Zawardo. I'm hoping she gets Zawardo. Alright, so, looking on the logbook next. Ichirin is in Murin Temple, which is like, no, fuck off. Which is, I'm pretty sure, like near the path to Iente, so I'm gonna, once again, I'm gonna go over there. I'll be back. Well, not, well, before I go over there, I'm gonna do this. Alright. Now! Pause! Pause, god! Alright, we're here. We're here at the Murin Temple with all the dudes, the girls who are practicing to become Buddhists with Yokai Jesus Byakuren herself. So, we're gonna beat up Ichirin and
To
Unzan.
get some herbs, but I might get lost in that forest. If only there was some way to...
Never mind, that was a fairy maid. I'm pretty sure she's here. Yeah, there she is. Alright.
You fucking pieces of shit didn't try to invite me. So I will therefore punch your fucking face until it is barely recognizable. You will face the retribution.
I wonder... I wonder where I've heard that before. With the beginning part, anyways. Oh. Okay. Well, yeah, that makes more sense.
I'm down. Motherfucker.
Yeah, let's go. Sorry for thinking that a regular fairy maid was... you and Unzan, Ichirin. I'm sorry. Alright? Well, now we have Phantasm heal, so we're definitely good to go. Oh yeah, by the way, Sakia, while going over here, Sakia reached level 10, and she learned Knife Storm and Conjuring Misdirection. So I'm gonna... Knife Storm. She has a lot more defense than I realized. Yeah, she definitely has more defense than I realized, alright. It's fine though. I'm gonna release her. Phantasm Slice again. Try to inflict bleed on her if you can. There you go. Cool. And she's poisoned. And her max health went down. Oh, but she gained her balance. Just keep trying to poison her sleep. Try to put her to sleep. This has definitely been a bigger challenge than Yuka thus far. Or Suika? Alright. Try to blind her if you can. And you try to confuse her. Since she's already bleeding, I'm gonna try to find her. Go. Oh god! Okay, yeah, she does a lot. And I mean a lot of damage. Better think quick. Hang on, like Reimu's like the one with the most defense here too, and she died in like two hits. This is kind of bad. But thankfully she lost balance. Ah. Well, that's shit. Reimu didn't get any XP because she... Well, you know what, whatever. I win, bitch. That was the wrong voice. Is this my reward? Yuck.
Defeat. That's what Unzan said as well.
Wrecked. Okay. Whatever, buddy.
Kind of divine shit. Huh.
What?
This. Familiar presence. This feeling of being watched. Oh fuck.
What? Is it, Whoa, what's going on? Okay. Well, I was wondering when she'd show up. There she is. Why is it so bright? What the fuck? Is it normally that bright? Or am I... Hello, Reimu, my child.
You fucking old hag.
Lol.
Yes, that is me, Yukari a human.
What the hell are you doing here, you piece of fucking shit?
Oh my, not happy to see me?
No, because you're a stalker.
Every time you show up, you always find an opportunity to fucking troll me. I'm not happy to see your face even the slightest.
Ha ha ha. I guess you got me then. Now then, I see that you are having your own fun. How
Is
about
it?
I add something to the mix?
Alright, fine. I was gonna say is infinite, but she cut me off right away. And what did...
I'll be taking a long nap. How long the nap will be is depending on that timer.
Oh, come on, dude. I thought...
If the timer runs out, I'll be raining on your parade.
Oh, no. I thought that...
To prevent that is to keep me asleep.
I thought that there would be no puppet in this game, but motherfucking Yukari said, "Psych," and put the time. Okay.
Have fun.
Are you fucking piece of shit? I will fucking get you for this.
Yukari's clock will now appear via the locations. They appear on the mini-map colored magenta. Wind them to prevent Yukari from attacking. The closer the clock is to Yukari, the more the time will be wound. Well then, how about we go find one of those, like, right about fucking now, so that we can, like, you know, not have to deal with Yukari's shit. So they appear on the mini-map and they're colored magenta. Let's see. I think the SDM is close. No, the road is closest to Mayuhiga, I think. Let's the road is there. The road. Okay. All right, let's see. So if we were there and we go over there to like the force of magic, then Mayuhiga is just right over there. Okay. I hope that there's a clock over here. Hello, Rinosuke. Will you just piss off already? My God. The Radio Tower Shrine. Because I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I'm ready to deal with Yukari right now. I mean, to fight Yukari right now. Hello, Chen.
Go away.
Fine, so... Actually, you can set the timer to 0? You absolute madman. Wind the clock. Oh, damn! 25 minutes, huh? Never mind, I don't think this is gonna be... Well, then again, Gensokyo is a pretty big place, so that... much time. It's probably, like, there for balancing purposes. So, yeah. Oh, god damn it, now I have to deal with the... this timer on the top right. Alright, well, so... That's the thing, now. This isn't the map that I wanted to check. I wanted to check the logbook. So... Okay, we battled Ichirin, Futo, the Hall of Dreams Great Mausoleum. So that would be like... that would be... I think that would be like somewhere whoa. Does the timer run down while I'm checking this? Oh god, it does, doesn't it? Okay, you know what? Because I really don't want to deal with Ikari's shit, I'm gonna take the easy route, and I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna look up where you're supposed to go. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I know it's kind of cheap, but I don't really care right now. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, I'm back, so, yeah, no. So apparently it's, right behind the Murin Temple. So we're gonna go back over there. And we're gonna go beat the fuck out of our favorite pyromaniac, like, fire-loving, old-timey speaking person, people thingy, Abana, you know, Futo. So yeah, let's... Hello there! Thou shalt face the fucking power of Feng Shui. Prepare thyself.
Engage the three-tailed motherfucker.
Alright, let's go. I didn't fully heal Yomu's mana. I didn't fully restore Yomu's mana. That's kinda bad. Try the Boom Dasher. Infusion. Bind. Shit, she didn't get... Uh-oh. Oh god, okay. You know, Yomu would have been dead there if it weren't, if she attacked twice. So... Blind her. Okay, let's try this. Decreases the defense and strength of every foe. And decreases health by 5%. Let's see. And conjuring misdirection. Okay, good, she's blinded. Throws her knives at full force. Oh! Wait, okay. That didn't deal a whole lot of damage, but you know, it did make her bleed. Okay. Oh, because she's blind, I can do Giga Amulet toss. Sure. Sour Dango, use that on yourself. Try to bind her if you can. Man, what is she, like, immune to being stunned? Okay, Reimu would have died there if she wasn't blind. I'm thankful for that. Okay, she's almost dead. I haven't had a chance to use Master Spark yet, but that's probably gonna change pretty soon. A bit of an anticlimactic end. Marisa just shoots the Makra at her. Boom. Victory!
Enough. I have been infected.
Goodbye.
I fucking didn't taste my divine shit.
The shop's new branch has been located in former hell. Oh, cool. Alright then. Actually, before we go over there, let me see if I can, I saw Yoshiko over there. And, Mamazu?
Williams are having a night of debauchery, eh? Yeah. If you
What
want
does-
to get my way, then bring it the fuck on.
When does she sound Australian?
Calm down, the youngin. I'm no enemy. I couldn't care less about that party. But as for those other bitches, well, they are a little salty about it. We know. And that's why we're kicking their shins. Ha ha ha. You are a bunch of crazy folks, aren't ya? Well, whatever ends up happening afterward, I wish you a good luck. You lot are gonna need it.
Thanks, Mamazu. What about you? You who just, doesn't look like the Jiangshi wants to talk. Alright, fine then. Well, I don't want to talk with you anyways. Okay, so the next person on our do shit on list is Oku. Wait. Okay, I had to like open the door for my mom because she was stuck outside. It was locked apparently. Alright, so we have to fight Oku next. Oh, like I really like Oku. It's so Ryoji. She is. I don't know why, but like I like a lot of the characters with black hair the most in Touhou. I don't know, like Aya, Oku. Thinking of other people. I'm sure there was someone else that I like that had black hair. Oh fuck. And no, I'm not talking about Reimu. I think she's good, but not one of my favorites. What? Ah, yes, right. New Hoju from UFO. Yeah, I like all the black hair characters for some reason. I don't know why. So we're gonna go to somewhere. Hang on, let me check the map. It's like former hell is like somewhere down there, if I had to guess. If I had to guess, it's probably somewhere down here, but I'm not 100% sure. Hang on. I'm gonna try to figure that shit out. But for now, I think I'm gonna end the episode here. It's a way shorter one compared to the previous ones, but I felt like I've made decent progress. Like, I shat on 3 bosses, not including Suika, which I defeated in the previous video, but I didn't. So, yeah, I'm gonna, after some grinding that sets Reimu up to level 13, just like Marisa, I'm gonna end the video. end the episode there. So I'm gonna do the outro as I do this because it's probably not gonna take that long. So I hope you've been enjoying TNGAU so far. I have, despite like how long it takes for me to make these videos and how infrequent I play them, play this game. I really like it. The only reason why I don't play it more because my school and I'm just a lazy piece of shit that I'm just a lazy piece of shit that couldn't be bothered to edit like a 1 hour long video. Also, yeah, Reimu leveled up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Subscribe to the main channel as well, the Error Kills. And I'll see you then. I'll see you until... Oh my god, I'm fumbling this so badly. See you all next time.
Back for more?
Inhale my illusionary phallus and radiant fairy.
See you
Wait.
around.
This has to end properly.
Back for more?
Inhale my illusionary phallus and radiant fairy.
I kind of wish that was louder. Anyways, goodbye everybody.